Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker beer braised beef stew. Okay, I'm starting out with my 6-quart power pressure cooker XL. It's one I got for 20 bucks on a hell of a deal. And I have it preheating on the meat chicken setting because this doesn't have a saute brown setting. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little olive oil in here. And I have some beef cubes here that I dried with paper towel. And you want to dry them first because if you don't, they're going to steam in there and they're not going to get brown as easily for you. I'm going to do this in 2 batches. So I'm going to go ahead and get these in here. And I'm also going to season these with a little salt and pepper, but I won't do that on camera. Alright, now my beef's all brown and I pulled it out and set it aside. I have roughly a cup of baby carrots here I sliced in half and a cup of pearl onions. Piece of skin there. And if you can't get pearl onions, you can just use a regular onion diced up. I'm going to get them in here and saute them for just a minute in the pressure cooker. Okay, now my carrots and onions went just for a few minutes. I have an 8-ounce container of sliced mushrooms. I'm going to get them in there and cook them for just a minute or so to start to saute them. Okay, now that my vegetables sauteed for a few minutes, I'm going to return my beef back in. Now I have a 12-ounce beer here. I'm going to dump half of it in. This is like a lager. You can use any kind of beer you like, but I would suggest a light beer if you want something with a little body. So I'm going to dump about 6 ounces of beer in here. And I'm just going to let this cook for a few minutes, cook the alcohol out of the beer. Okay, let this cook for about 5 minutes to cook the alcohol out of here and help the good beer flavor soak to the vegetables and the beef. Now I'm going to add in 4 large red skin potatoes. I didn't peel them, that I cut up. I'm going to add some water. I'm going to try for 4 cups of water first, see how that looks. I'm going to add 2 more, so that'll make 6 cups of water. And you want to watch your full line over here. Mine's over here, so I'm like 2 inches below it, so I'm in good shape. Alright. Now, I'm going to add in some beef base. If you don't have beef base, beef broth would work good too. So I'm going to add in about a teaspoon for each cup. Maybe I'll try 4 teaspoons for now rather than 6. I don't want it to get too strong. And these are heaping teaspoons. And when I was sauteing the vegetables with the beer, I was scraping the bottom of the pot to get all that goodness off the bottom, because that's flavor. And I'm also going to add in here, get this beef off of here, I'm going to add in here some tomato paste, about a teaspoon. Healthy teaspoon. A little bit of celery seed. You could also use fresh celery. You would saute that in with your vegetables when you do the carrots and the onions and the mushrooms. That's about a half a teaspoon. I'm going to add a little black pepper, but I'm not going to add any more salt because that beef base has salt in it. We added salt in the beginning. I'll taste it then when it's done pressure cooking. I'm going to take my lid and I'm going to seal it on the pressure cooker. Make sure that I'm set on airtight here. Okay, I'm going to set this to cook for 10 minutes. And the soup button is 10 minutes. So what this will do is this will come up to pressure. We'll let it cook for the 10 minutes and then I'm going to let it do a natural release. Okay, my 10 minutes are up. I let this do a natural release. I checked it for beef flavor. It was fine. I just added a little more salt, about a teaspoon. Now I put this on the chicken meat setting again to bring it up to a boil, and I have a flour water slurry here I'm going to stir in to thicken this up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this simmer here with the lid off for a few minutes until it thickens up some. I let this go for just a few minutes, and as you can see it's thickening up nicely. Now I'm going to finish this off by putting in about a teaspoon of dried parsley. It's mostly just for color. Alright, let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Okay, there you have it. Pressure cooker beer braised beef stew. Give this a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.